All right, I've used the Mission Workshop Khyte for about a week now, a little bit over a week and a day. This is Mission Workshop's new, just released laptop messenger backpack. Just want to share some of my impressions, my initial impressions after a week of usage. I did swap out the shoulder strap for the messenger strap. I had a little trouble getting it on at first. I just want to show everybody, because it does have this tab instead of the usual Mission Workshop messenger. It has the flap that usually has the Velcro. The Khyte has this little tab here, and to get it onto the bag, you first slide one corner in, slide it in past the double flap here, the double fabric here. And as long as that's in, then you can pull through, and then pull the other side through, and then that's how you install the messenger strap. Okay. Specifically, this bike, for the past week, I've used it to bike commute about 15-20 minutes each way, pretty short. I also took a long trip on the Amtrak, about 4 hours each way. And then on the weekend, just walked around town. There was light rain once, and the bag held up fine. Nothing was wet at all. Mission Workshop, typical quality and water resistance, as expected. On the weekend, I also took this bag on a short trip to the mall. In here, I was able to fit 2 boxes of shoes, a couple pairs of pants, a couple pairs of shirts, and 2 socks. And the fidlock, the straps weren't actually extended all the way, so it could have held actually a little bit more, so that was nice to see. I'll do another everyday carry video with my usual office loadout later, but I'm hoping, I'm not sure what else I can put in there besides my regular office stuff like laptop and headphones, but I'll do that video separately. So overall, this is a very nice bag for everyday carry. Nice water resistance, nice rain guard zippers. As with other Mission Workshop messenger bags, it can get really tight against your body, which is nice, very secure, especially with the smaller side buckle here. And it's nice to be able to sort of swing this bag around and get to your glasses. Like in this magnetic flap, I can just swing this around, and I got my sunglasses, and on the other side I can get my keys fairly easily. Not negatives, but more pet peeves. I'm not quite sure why the magnetic flap is here. I think it would just be as water resistant without the flap. We have the flap, I guess. And I know it can fit a little bit more than other messenger bags of this size. And some people online have talked about installing a water bottle pocket using the MOLLE here. But actually I feel it's a little bit long. So I actually bumped into 2 people walking down the street over the weekend, and the bag was pretty high up on my back, messenger style. Let's see. Even though it holds more, you actually do feel it because it's, like I said, the messenger style. And if you really pack it out, you really feel it on your one shoulder where the strap is. But that's the case for any messenger bag. I don't like the look of these archive rails. I took off the archive pouch. I felt it was kind of jutting out a little bit, so I removed it. But then the rails are still here. I'm not quite into that look. I prefer a smoother face. Yeah, so I removed the archive pouch, and I'm actually not using it in the Khyte. It's nice to have, I guess, but that was one of the freebies, but I'm not really using it with this bag. Same for the shoulder strap. This bag it felt pretty long to carry shoulder style, so I actually didn't use it. But I am using the messenger strap that they gave me. And one other thing is, it feels like it picks up a little bit of cat hair compared to, like I have the Rake VX and I have the Camo Rambler, and those didn't seem to pick up as much hair as this, but I'm not sure. Maybe I just haven't noticed it or what, but that's just an observation. So that's about it for 1 week in. Next video will probably be my everyday carry, sort of unloading and loading. And then after that, I'll do a 1 month check-in. Thanks.